walk in the park. Now this activity, it is important to set it up before you start it at Circle Time. So make sure it's on your agenda, you've got all the printables done up, and you've done this very important step. And that is to go around the room when the children are not looking, hopefully before they've even gotten there, or maybe when they're outside, or anytime when nobody is around. And you're gonna take these pictures and you're gonna tape them throughout the room. So there's 4 pictures. There's the dog, the squirrel, the cat, and the bird. So tape those somewhere around the room. Now, when your kids are gathered and it's time to teach the activity, you're gonna say to them, "Are you ready to take a walk to the park?" And they might be thinking, "Heck yeah, let's go to the park." Well, today we're gonna pretend to take a walk to the park. And with that, you simply turn on the music, have the kids follow you, stand up, and as the music goes, it directs you to walk around the room looking for these 4 little critters that are often found at a park. And so the recording, like I said, does the work for you. You can absolutely do it a cappella, but I do find that that music sort of adds a little bit of interest to it. So as the kids walk around, as the song is going, you can sing along with it, and it goes like this. I walked around the park one spring and met a dog who likes to sing. And at that point, look around, see if the kids can find the dog. Where's the dog? Is it over there? Is it over there? Oh, there it is. And then they'll find the dog where you have taped it up on the wall. And then the dog will sing, you know, what will it like to sing? What will it like to sing? What, oh what will that dog sing? And then I put my hand to my ear as we listen for what the dog sings. And then I encourage the kids, along with myself, to repeat the recording. So it's like, woof, 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 woof. And then we try it. Woof, 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 woof. And the song goes on. I walked around the park one spring and met a bird who likes to sing. And then we look around the room to see if we can find the bird. Now we've got that nice written word right underneath there, so we're getting that environmental print piece, that notice of print awareness, that letters put together make words, and then we've got, of course, that picture clue right up there. So have fun with a walk in the park.